Today, it's all about our brand new subscription box. It's number 57, and it's all about the pop-up vases. You've got over 200 elements, so let's dive in. Let's have a look and see what you're going to be getting. So let's open up. You know by now you've got your lovely welcome from Sarah, as well as the address to head across to watch the videos. Let's open up. Now this one, you are going to be getting an instruction sheet. So keep that to hand. I would say always keep it inside the box. Then what we have got is we've got metal dies here. So the metal dies is giving you 13 of them in total. Then what you're also going to get is 6 acrylic stamps. Now these are going to work in conjunction with the dies. You've got 3 flower heads and you've got 3 sentiments as well. Then, to actually create the pop-up vase, you are getting this template. So you're going to draw around it, you're going to cut it out, and same as the little tabs for inside, you've got that. Then what you're also going to be getting is your satin ribbon. You've got the most gorgeous pastel tones. So you've got 9 reels, 3 colours, you have got 6mm, 12mm, and 19mm all together. Then to create your pop-up vases, if you choose to do it in white, we are giving you your 18 cardstock panels. These are 8x8. You can ink them and spritz them and distress them. They're included. Then what you're also going to be getting to fit the size of your pop-up vases, you're going to be getting 18 envelopes. Now these are 4x6, but these all have a gusset to them. So it's going to take into account that little bit of depth when it comes to the vases that have been folded down. You're then going to be getting 8x8 colour cardstock. You're going to be getting 18 sheets. You're going to get 6 colours and you're going to get 3 of each. So there's 1 of each of them for you to see. And then what you're also going to be getting is printed papers. Now you're also getting 18 sheets. These are also 8x8 and these are matte like the cards, so you can add extra colour or ink to them if you so wish. 6 of each, and then you're getting 3 of each of these ones. Last but by no means least, what we're then going to be giving you is 100 petals. Now within these petals here, you have got the most gorgeous pastel tones. So you've got a variety of different sizes. These are going to complement the papers and the ribbon. All of that is included. So if you want to make the pop-up vases as a standalone pop-up vase, you absolutely can do. If you want to use them on the front of a card, you can, but then you can be using your stamps as little embellishments. Same with the sentiments. You can go to absolute town on the way that you use your pop-up vases. All of that is held inside our brand new subscription box. It is number 57 and it is all about our pop-up vases.